Good morning students, welcome back to online class of English first or class second. How are you all? I hope you all are fine there. Students, as you all know, your 3 classes of English first is over. Today is your 4th class. Here I have mentioned part 4, and today in this class I will give you revision test answers, which test I have given you last previous video. Today I will give you answer of that test and lesson number 2 A exercise I have given, remaining exercise today I will give you. Now come on your test answers. Here is the answer of your test. Here you can see your first answer is rose, next lion, brush, eagle, chair, rearrange the jumble letters. You all can tally your answers with this answer sheet. I have written all the answers clearly with the red brush that is written, red color answers are there. You all can match your answers. According to that you have to check. Okay students, you can pause the video and you can take a screenshot. After that you can zoom in and you will be able to write the answers. Now next, take out your book and open page number 30. B exercise A I have already given you in 3rd class. Now this is your 4th class, 4th lecture of English first. In this lecture I will give you B exercise. Now come on, B, C, D all exercise. First I will give you answer of B exercise. Here's your B exercise. I hope you are able to see it neatly. Here your question is, complete the following sentences using question mark at the end of these words of these sentence. So students, already subject part is there. I have written the remaining part of the sentence. Here you can see your question was why did. You have to complete the sentence with the question mark. You have to write a question here. So I have written here, why did you go there? Question mark. Who wrote this letter? किसने यह letter लिखा? What are you doing? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? Where is your house? तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? Which is your bag? तुम्हारा बैग कौन सा है? After the answer you have to put the question mark. After the sentence you have to put the question mark. Students, so this is the complete sentence of your B exercise. I hope you will be able to see it neatly and you will be able to write it. Now come on, C exercise. Here is your C exercise. You can see here. Your question is, complete the following sentences. Use exclamation mark at the end of these sentences. Students, C question exclamation mark you have to use in the end of the sentence. So how well she danced. When we appreciate something we say and the strong feeling, we use exclamation mark and that sentence will be called exclamatory sentence. So here I have made a sentence that is, how well she danced. Only this portion you have to write. So the answer is, how well she danced. What a lovely child. कितना प्यारा बच्चा है. So this is the, after that I have put it exclamation mark. Here you can see exclamation mark here. So you all have to write in this way. Now come on, D exercise. Students, here is the D exercise. D exercise, read, question is, read the following group of words and write whether they make complete sense or not. बेटा स्टूडेंट्स, कंप्लीट सेंस का मतलब क्या हुआ? जो सेंटेंस कंप्लीट मीनिंग बताता है, उसमें वर्ब होती है, उसमें सब्जेक्ट होता है और कंप्लीट सेंस होता है, तो उसको कहते हैं हम कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. हेयर यू कैन सी योर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, डू इट. डू इट, इसे करो. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? ये कंप्लीट सेंस है कि ये काम करने के लिए कोई ऑर्डर दे रहा है. सो हेयर दिस इज इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. यू कैन पुट यस. Now in the west, what? Nothing. It has no complete sense. Incomplete sense is here. So here you have to write no. Come here, यहाँ आओ. It is also in order. Yes. Now, never tell a lie. So, कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. It is also yes. Next, we ate some rice. It is also a complete sense. Yes. It is easy to find fault. Yes. With a kindly nature. Has no complete sense. It is no. Under the bridge. Has also no. And ninth, will you have coffee? क्या तुम कॉफ़ी लोगे? Yes. 10th, my favorite flower is rose. It is also a complete sense. So it is also a complete sense sentence. So here I have written yes. So this is the answer of your D exercise. You all will be able to write all the answer from this exercise. Okay. Now come on next. Now here is next page. Page number 14. You all have to open. Page number 14. It is joy drill. Look at the pictures and write a sentence to describe each picture. Start each sentence with a capital letter. Each sentence you have to write a capital letter. Your first is here in this picture, your first picture you see here in this picture, boy is sitting and eating something. So you have to write the sentence, the boy is eating lunch. Now second, birds are flying. So the answer is picture is of bird and they are flying. So answer is the birds are flying. Now next, here you can see here is a basket of fruits. So you can write the fruits are in the basket, or if you want to write, you also can write this is a basket of fruits. Okay. Now fourth, the children are watering the plant. Next, fifth, the boys are running. Here the girl is playing with a doll. Now next, seventh, the sun is shining. And the eighth is this flower is called lotus. So student, this is the joy drill of your second chapter. It is on page number 14. You can take a screenshot of this picture. After that you will be able to do it. Now today's homework is your cursive writing book. This is the big one, and page number 2. This is myself. You have to do here same. You have to write, hello, I am John Liza. So you all have to write here this line 2 times, this line, and this line here you have to write 2 times, and this line only 1 time, this line only 1 time. And you all have to do this dot line also. This dotted line also you have to do first. After that you have to write in your writing. These page number 2 and here page number 3. This you have to do today's homework. And your book homework, grammar book homework is you all have to learn B exercise and A exercise. B and A exercise you all have to learn and then write in your grammar copy. In your grammar copy you have to do A exercise and B exercise of lesson number 2 in your grammar copy. After learning, that should be neat and clean. Student, it is sufficient for today. In next class I will explain you your third chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.